Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to continue with the KCSE prediction mock, whereby we're going to consider number 13, a question on a binomial expansion. So remember to subscribe to our channel and also to share the link with your friends. We are taught to expand a minus x raised to power 6 up to the third in x power 3. Then use your expansion to estimate the value of 2.99 raised to power 6 to 3 decimal places. Therefore, what you're going to do here, we'll start with the coefficients of power 6. The binomial coefficients of power 6, which are 1, 6, 15, and 20. They continue to 15, 6, then back to 1 again. But now we're just expanding after the term with x power 3. So we start with x at power 0, then at power 1, power 2, power 3. So power 3 is the fourth term. So this is where we're going to reach. So we'll start when a is at power 6, but x is at 0. Then we proceed when a is now 5, but remember this is negative x, sorry, and negative x now to power 1. Then a takes 4, negative x takes 2, and in the fourth term we shall have a being cubed and negative x also cubed. At any given moment, the powers should add up to 6. So we can now simplify this one, and we're going to get a power 6. This one becomes 0, or becomes 1, sorry. So a power 6. Then in the next one, we will have 6 and a power 5, then negative x power 1, which remains negative x. So it will start with generally a negative 6, then a power 5, and x power 1. Then the next one will automatically be a plus, because when we square x, even though it is negative, it will become x squared. Then this one is a power 4, and this is 15. So we'll start with 15, a power 4, x squared. And the last term shall be 20. So we start with a negative, then 20. We are starting with a negative because negative x is raised to power 3. So there will be a general negative sign. Then 20, a power 3, and x is also to power 3. X is also to power 3. So that is the general expansion. But now we go to apply it in finding 2.99. So we're going to express this one with this one. So we shall rearrange this number here to take this format. And when rearranged, you realize we can have two terms, which when subtracted, they give us this. So you take 3 and 0.01. So when we take 3 and we subtract 0.01, we get 2.99. Therefore, now this one expressed in this format, we can say a is 3 and x is equal to 0.01, because negative x equals to negative 0.01. The negatives will cancel. Therefore, now we can replace a with 3 and x with 0.01, so that now our expanded form here becomes 3 raised to power 6, then minus 6 into 3 raised to power 5, and 0.01, then plus 15 and 3 raised to power 4, and 0.01 being squared, then finally minus 20, 3 raised to power 3, and 0.01 raised to power 3, also raised to power 3. So now we can use a calculator to evaluate all these. 3 power 6 is 729 minus 3 power 5, 243 times 6, then we multiply by 0.01. This is 14.58 plus, when you have 3 power 4, 81 times 15, then we multiply by 0.01 squared. This becomes 0.1215. Then finally we shall subtract 3 power 3, we multiply by 20, then we multiply by 0.01 raised to power 3. This gives us 0.0054. So that is the expanded form. We can now add everything after those multiplications. Start with the answer plus 729 plus 4. Okay, these are minus, sorry. Minus 14.58 plus 0.1215. Let me restart. We have the answer. Then we add 729 minus 14.58 plus 0.1215 minus, this is going to be 714.5409. So to 3 decimal places it shall be 1.